Our motoring tip of the week concerns wheel tire shake. Now, when a tire shop or car repair facility installs a new or repaired tire on your wheel, the next thing they do is take the wheel tire assembly, air it up over to the wheel balancer and balance the wheel. Usually takes less than 3 ounces of weight to bring a typical wheel tire assembly into perfect balance. And over the years, as wheels and tires get better, those numbers have been coming down. But here's a scenario that happens at least once every winter. Now, we're at the Canadian International Auto Show inside a nice warm heated building here, but it's mid-February and we've had lots of rough weather, lots of blizzards and storms here in southern Ontario this winter. And already 3 times this winter I've had this scenario happen. And that is the wheel tire assembly packs with snow. So you get packed ice and snow in the rim. Now, it can happen 2 ways. It can happen from you driving through standing deep snow and packing in there, or as it happened to me, it just so happened that the vehicle was parked in such a position, the storm blew the snow into the rim and it packed in there and stayed in there. Now, it depends on the consistency of the snow, and it's got to be just the right sticky snow to pack in there. But bottom line is, once it's packed in the rim, you get out on the highway, you get up to 100 kilometers or more, and the car's shaking and shimmying like crazy. And you think something's really wrong with it. Now, in each one of these cases, I was returning a customer's just repaired car to them, so this won't go, right? This is, looks really bad. So, easiest fix for it, and of course, when you're on the road, you never have what you want, but the easiest thing for dealing with this is a paint stir stick, because it'll go through the spokes in the rim, it'll get all the way in there, you can go and knock off, just break up the snow and ice, and as soon as you start rolling, it all falls out. Now, you don't want to use something like a screwdriver, you'll scratch the rim, and it's not that effective anyways. You need something that's broad, thin, and flat. There's nothing better that I've found than a paint stir stick. Oh, and they're free. The boys at Home Depot and Barrie, I know you're missing 3 of these, but thanks. That's your motoring tip of the week.